Hello, I'm Teacher Jen and I work at Dadi Prestige International Academy. And for lesson 1, we're going to review the short A vowel. So the short A vowel is the ah sound. Can you say ah, ah? So some words that contain that ah sound are hat, bat, cat, mat, pan, rat, bag, and fan. So let's go into lesson 1 for the short A vowel. So some words, like I said, we have for the ah sound are bat, and here we have the animal bat. Next, we have a hat, hat. Another one is cat, cat. Next one we have is mat, mat. Another one that has the ah sound is pan, pan. Next we have a rat, rat. Another word is bag, bag. And the last word that we're going to use is fan, fan. Okay. So here, can you remember what this is? What is this a picture of? This is a bat, bat. This one, can you remember what this is? What is this? This is a hat, hat. Okay, next one. What is this? What's this a picture of? What animal is this? This is a cat, cat. This one, what is this a picture of? What's this? This one is a mat, mat. Next, what is this? Can you remember? This is a pan, pan. Next one, what is this? What's this? This is a rat, rat. Next, we have, what's this? Is a bag, bag. And last one, what's this one? What is it? This is a fan, fan. Okay, so now we're going to match the vocabulary words with the correct photo. So here, this is a cat, cat. So cat is k-a-t, k-a-t. Which word is k-a-t? Cat. Which one? Is it this one, this one, this one, or this one? Which one is cat? K-a-t. So k-a-t is this one. Yeah, we have k-a-t, cat. Okay, next picture is a bat, bat. B-a-t, b-a-t. Which one is bat? B-a-t. So bat is this one. This one is bat. B-a-t. Bat. Next one we have mat. Mat. M-a-t. M-a-t. Which one is mat? So we only have 2 left. So mat is this one. M-a-t, mat. And last one, the easy one, because we only have 1 left, is hat, hat. So this one is hat, h-a-t, h-a-t, hat. Okay, let's go on to the next page. So we have our next 4 words. So the first picture is a fan. Fan. Which one is fan? Fan. Which one is fan? So fan is this one. So we have fan. Okay, next picture is a bag. Bag. Which one is bag? B-a-g. B-a-g. So bag is this one. B-a-g. Bag. Next picture we have is rat. Rat. Which word is rat? R-A-T. Which one is rat? So this one is rat. R-A-T. And last one, again, easy, so we only have one left, is pan. Pan. P-A-N. So this one is pan. P-A-N. Okay, let me just clear the screen and we move on. So here we're going to write each word 3 times. So here we have the word bat, and to write bat, to write B, we start at the top, we go down and stop. Then we go around in the middle, back around at the bottom and stop. Then for A, we start and we go around, up and down and flick. And for T, we start at the top, go down and flick and cross in the middle. So bat. Then for the next word, mat, we start with the letter M. So for M, we start at the bottom, we go up, down, and then again for A, we go around, up and flick. And for T, it's down, flick and cross our T. Next word we have is hat. Hat. And for hat, for the letter H, we start at the top, we go down, stop, make sure we cross over, and then we join the cross together. So we have H, and then again, we have A, around, up, down, and flick, and T, down, flick, and cross our T. And last word we have is cat. Cat. So for big C, we start at the top and we just go around and stop. And again for A, we go around, up, down and flick. And T, go down and flick and make sure we cross our T. So I'll just do that again. So for bat, B, you go around, A, around, up, down and flick. And T, around, flick and cross our T. Down, around, A, go around, up, down and flick. And T, down, flick and cross the T. Mat, we go down, stop, down, up, down. A, around, down and flick. T, down and flick and cross the T. Again, down, stop, down, up, down. For M, and then A, around, up and down and flick. T, we go down, flick and cross the T. For hat, so H, we make a line down, stop, cross over, another line down and stop. A, around, up, down and flick. T, down and flick and cross the T. And H again, down, cross over, H down again, so we join it together, and then A, around, up, down and flick. T, down and flick and cross the T. And for the last word, cat, C, start at the top, we go around to the bottom and stop. A, around, up, down and flick. T, down and flick and cross the T. And C again, around, stop. A, we go around, up, down and flick. And then T, we go down and flick and cross the T. So our next 4 words are fan, rat, pan and bag. So for fan, to do F, we start at the top and we make a line down and stop. And then we have to make a line at the top and in the middle. Okay, so that's how you draw a big F. And then again, the A, around, up, down, and flick. And N, we go down and stop. Go back to the top, but make sure you leave a little bit at the top. And we just go around and down for fan. So I'll just do fan again 2 more times. So F, A, N. And 1 more. F, A, N. Okay, next word we have is rat. Rat. So for big R, we start at the top, we go down and stop, go back to the top, go around to the middle and join it. So it looks like a P, but we're not quite finished yet. So we go back to the middle and draw a diagonal line across here to make the big R. And then again, we have the A, so around, up, down, and flick, and T again. So down, flick, and cross the T. So I'll write rat 2 more times. So we have R, A, T. And 1 more, R, A, T. Okay, next word is pan. Pan. So to do the big P, the uppercase P, we start at the top again, we go down, stop, go back to the top and go around to the middle line and join and P. And then again, the A, around, up, down, and flick. And N again, you just start from the middle, you go down and stop. Make sure you leave a little bit for the N and go around and N. So that one is pan. So P, A, N. And 1 more, P, A, N. And our last word is bag. Bag. So here we have the big B. So big B, we have to start at the top and go down to the bottom. We then go back to the top, go around to the middle and stop. So it looks like we have a P. We have to go 1 more time from the middle to the bottom for B. And then an A again. So we have the A, so we go around, up, down, and flick. And for G, so for G, we actually go around, up, and down. So it hangs, yeah? So G, we go around, up, and down. So we have the G hanging on the line. So B is down, around, A, G. And 1 more time, B, A, G for bag. So just erase them and let's go on to the next slide. So including in our lesson 1, we're going to do the long A. So the short A vowel, that sound is ah, ah. And the long A vowel, that sound is A, A. So some words that we're going to use for the long A vowel are cake, plate, cave, rake, whale, snake, maze, and lake. So let's go. So like I said, the words that we're going to use for the long A sound are cake, plate, cave, rake. Okay, so cake. This one is a cake. This one is a plate. Plate. This is a cave. Cave. This is a rake. Rake. And then the next 4 we have are whale, snake, maze, and lake. So we have whale. This animal is a whale. This animal is a snake. snake. This is a maze, maze, and this is a lake, lake. So, can you remember what this is? What's this one? Can you remember? This is a cake, cake. Next, can you remember what this is? What's this picture? This picture is a plate, plate. Can you remember this picture? What is it? What's this picture? This picture is a cave, cave. And this picture, can you remember? This picture is a rake, rake. Next, what's this animal? What's this animal here? What is it? This animal is a whale, whale. This one, this animal is a snake, snake. Next, we have, what is this? Can you remember? This is a maze, maze. And last one, what's this a picture of? What is it? This is a lake, lake. So, first picture we have is a maze, maze. Which word is maze? Maze. So we will match it with this one. This one is maze, maze. Next we have plate, plate. Which word is plate? Which word is plate? This one is the letter, the word plate. This one is the word plate. So we have plate. Next, we have a lake, lake. Which one is lake? Lake. And this one is lake. So we have lake. And last one, easy, because we only have one left, is cake, cake. So we'll match it with the word cake, and we have cake, cake. Okay, let's move on to the next 4 words. So here, the first picture is a snake, snake. Which word is snake? So here we have snake, snake, snake. Next we have rake, rake. Which word is rake? Rake. This is the word for rake, rake. Next we have cave, cave, cave. Which word is cave? Cave. This is the word for cave. So we have cave. And last one, again, easy, because we only have one left, is whale. This is a whale. So we'll match it to the word for whale. So we have whale, whale. Okay. Now we're going to practice writing the words. So the first word is cake, cake. So for cake, you can go around and across. For C, cake. And then A again, we go around, up and down and flick. For K, you can actually write K 2 different ways. I'll write it the first way. So K, you can write where you start at the top and go down. And then in the middle, you go diagonal up and diagonal down. So that's one way of writing the letter K. Another way of writing the letter K is if you go to the middle, you do like a loop, you join it together, and then a diagonal line down for cake. But I will write it this way for now. So if you have K and then E, you start here. Then for E, you go around, down, and across for cake, E. So I'll write cake again. So you have C, A, K, and E. And again, C, A, K, and E. Okay, next word is plate. So for P, we start at the top, we go down, go back to the top, around in the middle, and join them together. L, we start at the top, we go down and flick. A, go around, up, down, and flick. T, we go down and flick and cross the T. And E, we go around, down, and a flick. That was plate. So I'll write plate 2 more times. We have P, L, A, T, E. And one more, P, L. Oh, that was not a good L. Let's try that again. L, we go down and flick. A and T. And then E to finish. Okay, next word we have is cave. Cave. So for C, we start at the top and go around. A, we go around, up and flick. V, we start in the middle and go diagonal down and then diagonal up. And then E, we go around, down and flick. So cave. So I'll write cave 2 more times. So C, A, B, E. And one more, C, A, B, E. And the last word we have here is rake. Rake. So for the letter R, we start at the top, we go down and stop. Go back to the top, go around as though you are writing the letter P. But go back to the middle and do a diagonal down for R. Then again, A, around, up, down, and flick. K, we start at the top, and then diagonal up and diagonal down. Then E, we go around, down, and flick. And then rake again is R, A, K, E. And one more, R, A, K, E. Okay, let's move on to the next 4 words. So the next 4 we have are whale, snake, maze, and lake. So to do W, we start at the top, we go down, up to the middle, back down, and then up to the top again. For small h, we start at the top, we go down, back up to the middle, across and down. A, around, up and down and flick. L, we start at the top, we go down and flick. And E, we go around, down and flick. So that one was whale. So W, H, A, L, E. And one more, W, H, A, L, E. Whale. Next word we have is snake. Snake. So for S, we start at the top and we go left and we go around to the middle, go right, and then down and left again for S. N, we start at the middle, we go down, make sure to leave a little bit at the top of the N and go around and down. A, around, up, down and flick. K, start at the top, we go down, back to the middle, up, diagonally and down. And then for E, we go around, down and flick. And that is snake. So snake is S, A, sorry, S, N, A, K, E. Snake. And one more, S, N, A, K, Okay, next word is maze. Maze. So for M, start at the top and go down. Then we go back to the top, go to the middle, then back up, and then to the bottom. For M, A, again, we go around, up, down, and flick. For Z or Z, I personally say Z. So for Z, we start in the middle, we go across, down diagonally to the left, and then across to the right again for Z. And then E, we go around, down, and flick. So that is maze. So M, A, Z, E. And one more, M, A, Z, E. And last word is lake. Lake. So for lake, the first letter is L. So we start at the top, we go down to the bottom and stop, and then across to the right. Then A, we go around, up and down and flick. K, we go down, stop, up diagonally and down diagonally. And then E, we go around, down and flick. That's lake. So lake is L, A, K, and E. And one more, L, A, K, E. Lake, lake. Okay, let's clear them and go on to the next slide. So here we're just going to review all the words that we did in this lesson 1. So the first one, let me just get my pencil back. So this one, can you remember? What was this one? This one was a cake. Cake. Next, what was this? Can you remember? This picture was a plate. Plate. Next, what was this? Can you remember what this one was? This one was a cave. Cave. Next, what was this? What was this one? What was this picture? This picture was a rake. Rake. Next, we have, what's this animal? This animal was a whale. Whale. Next, we have a, what's this? What's this animal? This animal is a snake. Snake. Next, what's this? Can you remember what this is? This is a picture of a maze. Maze. And the last of the long A sound, what's this picture? This picture is a lake. Lake. Okay, and for the short A, the ah sound, what was this? What's this animal? This animal is a bat. Bat. What is this? What's this? We wear it on our head. What is it? It's a hat. Hat. What is this? Can you remember? It is a mat. Mat. What is this animal? What's this animal? This animal is a cat. Cat. What is this object? What is it? This is a pan. Pan. What is this animal? What is it? This is a rat. Rat. What are these? What is it? What are these? These are bag. Yeah, they are a bag. And last one, what is this? Can you remember? This is a fan. Fan. And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Bye.